Yeah, I don't know.
The seat is what? The seat is bouncy.
Your
Yeah,
fault.
why? Are you videoing this?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not videoing this shit.
What's this?
This is videoing shit.
This
This
is
is pointing the camera at someone.
I mean, we're in A&W!
With no intention.
Guys, we're in
Well, sound
A&W.
like I haven't been here before.
Hey, the last time I came here was when I was a kid.
yeah. It's been like what 10
It's
years.
been forever. Yeah, but we didn't order the waffles, Why didn't we order the waffles?
Why?
Why?
Why? Why?
Tell me why.
Because you're an idiot.
Tell me what you want, what you really want.
What?
Okay, so we're having our pit stop lunch now at
Oh,
A&W.
video already. Go and order waffles.
No, later. It's dessert, son. And we're going to Yosemite after this. We're going to Yosemite Park. I'm going to see Yogi Bear. Yeah, Yogi. No, I don't think he's there, but we're going to go and find a random bear. We're going to call him Yogi. And he'll be my friend forever.
Oh, eats you, man.
Oh, eat. Ugh. Shitty roommates. But I'm happy.
I don't hope he eats.
Suck up.
What can I gain from sucking up?
I don't know.
Hey, I hope you don't eat it. Can I have waffles?
Okay. Oh, hey, show everyone her arm sweat.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Show her arm sweat.
Sure.
Yeah, Sandy picked some awesome arm sweat, which I also posted on Instagram.
Yeah, I'm
So
sure.
you guys should go like the photo.
This is ugly.
Like the photo and like her Instagram to get more arm swag.
Yeah. Hey, go follow her on Instagram. Yes.
Tell them my Instagram.
Her Instagram is killing cows. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Quite smart.
Because she killed those cows to get arm swag. One arm swag was one cow.
Yesterday, right, after I thought this, in their gangster words, right, this is cray.
Cray.
So, we got root beer floats.
Is this mine?
Yeah, the jaws.
You didn't order floats? What's wrong, yo?
Eat yours. I'm not very hungry actually. Eat yours.
What's a float?
We wanted it to go, okay? No lah, but I don't want to dirty the house.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna eat now. Have our float. I'm gonna show
Eat
you.
yours.
Are we gonna do a gallon of float?
Do you think?
Yeah, we might get gallon of float. No, when Chen comes out, we'll get gallon of float.
But what if we don't find it in the
We will find the A&W, okay? We'll yell float. See you guys at Yosemite. It's nice. So we already drove, I think we've driven close to 100 over miles already. Yeah, filming. Sandy's been driving. What a pro driver. The
Oh, what driver?
pro driver. Because she was like, it was like winding and. Hey, I wasn't asleep most of the. Okay, whatever. So, yeah, nice, huh? I should really. Oh man, I feel like I'm alive, man. Okay, let's take a picture. Let's take a picture. Let's take a pic. Okay. I'll see you guys later in a while. It's a while longer to get to the valley. We are here. Or as Wen Chen will say, we are there. After driving for close to 5 hours, cause we freaking slow and then.
Ask you what's up.
Okay, don't angry.
Guys, you might not know me, and I might not know you, but this is awesome. I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, Sandy.
Like a rock. A rock, I think a rock.
Sandy, where are you?
I think you would give birth to
Oh, we can do a jump shot. But you only have one shot.
You stay over there with me now. I lift you up.
Those are your last words, man.
Zibanya. Okay, wait. Panorama view again.
Oh, this is amazing.
This is breathtaking.
Start from here, okay? Start from those and go to mountain.
Mountains.
Wow, Elliot appears. Mountains.
Wow, Andy appears.
Tourists. Mountain. Tourists. It's cool.
Alright, man.
Oh, that's a good shot. We should do that shot.
Oh my god, wait, I need to show you guys this. Look at that family. That family. Oh, they're wearing a family t-shirt. Wait. Oh, how do I zoom? And the nerdiest family award goes to these folks right there. I know they're not Singaporean because they don't speak like Singaporean. But seriously, man, when I become a dad one day, and when you become a dad one day, Please never ever do that for your family. Please don't. Alright?
Yeah.
There's a look at that. Look at the mountains. Look at those mountains.
Look at those mountains.
Look at those mountains.
You should do a panorama, right?
Wait, is it a double rainbow?
What does it mean?
Where's the double rainbow?
I don't know, man, but there's a water fountain.
Look at the waterfall. What
should
does
do a-
that mean?
Oh my goodness, that waterfall.
Hey, help me take a photo.
Double rainbow.
All the way
What is
across
it?
the sky.
All the way across the sky. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop filming for now. So
How much of yourself?
this is like the Ricola advertisement. Ricola! Stupid sexy word, Jen. How girls, you like the place?
Hey, don't take so up close,
Yeah, still chill lah.